Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blue Story on the piano. We will begin by identifying the song's main key signature, which is crucial for understanding the piece. Next, you will learn the four primary chords that form the foundation of the entire song. It is important to practice this chord progression slowly with both hands, ensuring a solid understanding before moving forward. This foundational work will set you up for success. Now let's focus on the melody. The right-hand melody for Blue Story is quite simple and repetitive, making it accessible for many players. Understanding the song's time signature, which is typically 4/4 time, will help you maintain a steady rhythm. It is highly recommended to practice the melody and the chords separately at first. Once each hand feels comfortable, you can then gradually combine them for a smoother performance. To truly bring Blue Story to life, we need to consider dynamics and expression. Pay close attention to the dynamic markings, such as softs and louds, as they are essential for conveying the song's emotional depth. Use the sustain pedal sparingly. A little goes a long way in enhancing its melancholic feel without muddling the sound. Varying your touch from gentle to slightly firmer will also create a more expressive and nuanced performance. For effective practice, break Blue Story into smaller, manageable sections. This approach prevents overwhelm and allows you to master each part before connecting them. Always use a metronome to maintain a consistent tempo, starting slowly and gradually increasing the speed as your comfort and accuracy improve. Regular, focused practice sessions, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will lead to a confident and beautiful full performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.